Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RKT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day, but the overall chart is still holding on, and I'll explain what I mean by that. And this is where the analysis gets a little tricky from the presentation standpoint, is because it really just depends on what your perspective was going in. I say it was a rough day because let's just kind of rewind back, and you can see that there was a fantastic breakout that happened there late day on Tuesday. So then at that point, it was a question of, hey, is this breakout just getting started? Are the bulls coming back? And then absolutely not. The next 30 minutes pulled back. And then today you can see that the price just totally pulled back from where it had broken out right there. So from that angle of things, yeah, a very rough day. Not very good at all. And that's also what brings about the first key update. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and I'm actually going to get rid of that line. They're not really relevant right now, so I'll keep this as clean as possible. But point here being, if there is any sort of attempted recovery back to the upside, the big question mark now is all about that 21.75 mark and whether or not, the price can not only, get back up to it, but can the price then get up above it? So keep an eye on that from the resistance side of things. However, from the big picture point of view, everything is still perfectly fine. And why do I say that? Well, let's look at where this bottom portion of the channel has been, give or take, right around $20.40. And you can see that overall, the price is still just kind of hanging out in this sideways channel. So yes, today, rough day, a pretty bad day. But from the overall point of view, as you see here, the price is still just in this sideways channel that it's already been part of. So, is this a good looking or bad looking chart? I don't know what your perspective was. Somebody that was buying right there as a day trader that wanted to buy and sell within, 10 minutes, the chart looks really, really bad for them. But if you do care about the bigger picture and care about more than one single day, then yeah, while today was certainly annoying, the overall chart is hanging in there. So let's just see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.